Do you know that every English word is made up of just 44 sounds? The 44 English phonemes. Do you know that every English word is made up of just 44 sounds? These sounds are called phonemes, and they are the foundation of reading and clear pronunciations. A phoneme is the smallest unit of sound in English. For example, the word cat has three sounds: k, a, s, cat. When children learn these sounds and how to blend and segment them, reading and spelling become much easier than professional phonics and diction programs. We teach pupils to master the English phonemes, helping them to read fluently, spell correctly, and speak confidently. If you're a school owner, teacher, or parent, or want children to improve in their reading and spelling skills, send us a message and we will bring this program to your school.